Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy will participate in a Kamdhenu Go Puja or worship of cows. This is the day after Pongal when the cow is worshipped, and this comes at a time when the Chief Minister is facing criticism over attack on temples, and opposition leader Chandrababu Naidu even called him a Christian Chief Minister. Well, let's go across to Uma Sudhir now for more. And Uma, that puja to begin in a short while from now?
Yes, indeed. Beginning at Narsaraopeta in Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh, where Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy will participate in the cow puja, Go Puja as it is called, Kamadhenu Go Puja, that will happen at a temple there. Of course, it's going to be also replicated. Similar pujas will be conducted across Andhra Pradesh and across South India, where this tradition has been there, but more importantly across the 50 temples of the Tirupati Devasthanam and also 996 other temples across the state which are controlled by the Endowments Department. I must point out that this is happening at a time when every political party seems to be wanting to take on, in a sense, the Hindutva agenda, because the Telugu Desam, which was not otherwise talking so much about a Hindutva or the protection of the Hindus, has in the last few weeks and couple of months, I must say, really raised the banner, raised the pitch on that front, pointing out that numerous attacks on temples have happened, and the BJP, in fact, which does not have a political presence in the state and trying to create its political space at a time when there is absolutely no Congress left there. So there's only a Telugu Desam and a YSR Congress, and the BJP has been raising this pitch about temples being attacked and saying that they are not getting adequate protection, and they are even suggesting that there is an effort at conversion of many Hindus into the Christian kind of a religion. And this is the atmosphere in which Chandrababu Naidu also, in fact, called Jagan Mohan Reddy. He pointed out in one of the meetings that he says this is a Christian Chief Minister with a Christian Home Minister and a Christian DGP as well. A very, very unfortunate comment from quite a senior leader like Telugu Desam, of course, of the Telugu Desam, like Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, and making this kind of a comment. Jagan Mohan Reddy, of course, participating in this Go Puja, not too unusual, because even after he took oath, one of the first things that he did was to go to Tirupati, Tirumala, and trying to wear all religious colors and saying that I may be a practicing Christian, but I am not biased in any way against the Hindu religion. And the state chief, in fact, had said that he is contemplating action against Chandrababu Naidu for the comments that he is making. But yes, in a short while from now, the Go Puja at Guntur district. Back to you.
All right, Uma, thanks so much for joining us with those details.